Hi, welcome to today's van of the week. Here we have a Tourneo Custom Titanium X. This is the 2 litre 170 engine. It comes in orange glow, this particular model. So I'm just going to take you around it, go through the features, styling. So it comes with the bi-xenon headlights with the beautiful daytime running lights that wrap around there. As you come round, you can see the dark tarnished alloy wheels. They're 17-inch. Now I'll just show you into the back. It's a nice step for the smaller people like myself. So this is the back. It comes with 6 seats in the back. These two middle ones, as you can see, have been folded down, so you can use them as trays, cup holders. You also have air conditioning and heating in the back, which can be controlled up here. You have USB compartments down here as well for your passengers, which is a great feature. Another good thing about these is you can have any formation of seats you want. You can have anywhere from 1 to 6 in the back. You can take the 2 middle ones out. You can take a full row out. So you can make space and accommodate for whatever passenger requirements you have. Again, there's lighting in the back as well. So if anyone's reading or needing to do anything in the dark, and speakers as well. Privacy glass around the back, and it also comes with sun blinds, which is great. And you have some pop-open windows here as well. Now, if we continue around the back, just to show you what the space is like, this is actually a long wheelbase, so you are getting extra space behind the rear seats. So as you can see, there's actually quite a lot of room in here. So I mean, if you've got big families or just going on big trips with friends, plenty of room for camping gear and stuff. Or perhaps if you're looking at it from a business point of view, if you're a taxi owner, taxi driver, you get a lot of passengers' luggage in here for where it needs to go. And just one more thing, on the door, it does come with a rear camera. Also comes with front and rear sensors. It is the high spec version of this, so it has got a lot of equipment on it. So this is the interior of the cabin at the front. So I'm just going to run through the features in here. First feature, electrically adjustable seats. Just get myself comfy. We'll start from over here. We've got automatic lights and automatic wipers as standard on these. Foldable mirrors as well. As we come across, you have adaptive cruise control, so it'll actually follow the speed of the cars in front. Obviously speed limiter as well, on steering wheel controls for audio and phone calls. As we come across, you can see it's a 6-speed gearbox, and it has heated seats, driver and passenger, air conditioning. You've got Bluetooth, DAB, it also comes with sat-nav as well. I'll just show you the feature that I mentioned before of the reversing camera. So as you can see, it shows you what's behind. Your sensors also show up on this screen. And if you were towing anything, if you did get a tow bar for the vehicle, you can actually zoom in on it so it's easier for hitching up. The interior, as you can see, leather, very nice. Armrests for both driver and passenger. Like a lot of other vans as well, you've got plenty of cubby holes. There's one down by the passenger, one down by the driver. Here in the middle, you're not going to have shortages of places to put your drinks. This is the Tourneo Custom. This one, again, orange glow, 2 litre 170. Thanks for watching the video. If you do want any more details on the vehicle, give us a call, 01524 598 598, or come down to our showroom in Morecambe. We have great finance options available on this, including 0%, so if you are interested in that, again, just get in touch. We're more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.